Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Wuthering Waves game not working, crashing, crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, freezing issue, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. Solution 1. Make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it and then launch the game and check. Solution 2 is to clear Wuthering Waves cache files. Press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for Wuthering Waves game and then highlight it. Then press menu and select manage game and add-ons. Click on save data reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile and make sure you click delete from console when deleting it. And then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Next solution is to clear persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you don't see this feature in your Xbox console, then you can skip this solution. Solution 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. And once your console restart, you can go ahead, launch the Wuthering Waves game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 5 is to remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Then re-add your account and after adding your account, launch the Wuthering Waves game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 6 is to run Wuthering Waves from store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. To do this, type Wuthering Waves in the search bar and then click on it and then click on launch game and see if that helps or not. Solution 7 is to switch network connection. So if you're using a wireless connection, then try using an Ethernet cable to access internet and then check. And if you're using a Wi-Fi, then try connecting to mobile hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to a different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network via hotspot and then check. Solution 8 is to manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network setting, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection, then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5, continue. Now restart your console and then check if the problem is solved or not. If not, then select the port one by one and see which one worked for you. Solution 9 is to change DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings, in the general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings, manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then save it and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then again relaunch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then last solution is to uninstall Wuthering Waves from Xbox, then fresh reinstall it and then launch the game and check if it fixes your issue or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Wuthering Waves game not working, crashing, crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, freezing problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.